Your Honor, the instructions po is this.
Sino ang nagbigay ng instructions?
Sa PNP po.
Sino?
Si General Macapas.
Anong instructions niya?
Na sana umuwi that she will, kung pwede siya kausapin, na...
yun na, huli ka. That she will, at kung pwede siyang kausapin. Alam mo, matagal na akong pulis. Ikaw, sinungaling ka.
No.
Napakasinungaling mo. Gumagawa ka ng istorya ngayon. Meron kang tinatago. Ha? Hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session hall ito kahit na hawak ka na ng NBI. Tilio, hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session hall ito. Kung hindi, na you are being used para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magtuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bongo, si Senator Bato, si General si IDG, General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Ha? Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam kong impormasyon na yan. Meron kang alam na mas mabigat na trabaho na ibinigay dito kay Mary-Ann Maslog, kaya wala kang control sa kanya because somebody above you is controlling Mary-Ann Maslog. I have an information. You cannot deny to me. I have a very, very accurate information na siya ay inuutusan ng somebody from Malacanang para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit implicating President Duterte, Senator Bongo, Senator Bato, and General Karamat as the people behind the operation of Pugo. I have a very, very A1 information.
So ngayon gusto kong tanungin dito Jessica Francisco, pero kilala din natin bilang Mary-Ann Maslog. Opo. So i-address ko kayo bilang Miss Maslog, kahit gusto nyong i-refer sarili nyo bilang Miss Francisco. So Miss Maslog,
Madam Chair, before you continue,
Senator De La Rosa,
can we make a formal declaration from the resource person kung sino ba talaga siya? Ano ba talaga identity niya? Before we start questioning her.
Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
Jessica Francisco or what's the other name?
Mary-Ann Maslog.
Mary-Ann Maslog.
Ang hirap, no? Hindi lang isang tao yung dinidetermine natin yung identity. Dalawa pala. Okay.
Can we...
So, ma'am, ano po ba ang pangalan nyo? Sino ba kayo?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, good senators. I'm Jessica Francisco.
Okay.
And
yun po yung sagot niya.
I'm Jessica Francisco, sir.
Okay. Yun yung sagot po niya, Senator De La Rosa.
Where did we get that name, Maslog?
Mayroon pong mga artikulo, including investigative articles na lumalabas na sa media based on linking to previous cases na kinilala itong tao di umano bilang sa isang dating or totoo niyang pangalan bilang Mary-Ann Maslog.
And she was arrested, Madam Chair?
Yes, Senator.
Within the of Senator, but she was arrested or she was detained. I don't even know her status right now.
Yes.
Because she is Mary-Ann Maslog.
Yes, Mr.
Is that correct?
Yes, Senator Joel. And for the record, dun sa tanong din ni Senator De La Rosa, Mary-Ann Maslog, yung di umanong namatay na textbook scammer, pero Jessica Francisco, yung bagong pangalan nila. So, yun po, Senators De La Rosa and Joel.
Mahirap mag-start mag-imbestiga ng tao, Madam Chair, na hindi natin ma-establish talaga yung real identity niya to start to begin with. So, ikaw ba talaga yung Mary-Ann Maslog na accordingly involved sa textbook scam at may istorya na namatay?
Your Honor, I invoke my right to keep silent because we have a case right now.
No. You
Sounds
cannot
familiar,
invoke
Senator
that
De La
right.
Rosa.
You cannot invoke that right because kung sabihin mo yung Merong Supreme Court ruling dyan. Walang sub-judice rule cannot apply in legislative inquiry in aid of legislation. You cannot invoke that right. Kaya nga, klaruhin natin ito. Kasi para tayong gago dito, nagtatanong kami sa iyo as Jessica Francisco, tapos ikaw pala, Mary Ann Maslog din. Then, klaruhin natin ito. Dahil, para mong niluloko yung committee nito kung hindi ka magsabi sa totoo mong pangalan.
Senator De La Rosa, baka pwede nating tanungin ng NBI?
NBI.
Si Attorney Magno, i-establish yung identity ng resource person. Attorney Magno, please.
Good afternoon, Madam Chair, Honorable Senators. On September 25, our Fraud and Financial Crime Division conducted an operation for against certain Dr. Jessica Francisco and allegedly one who is Mary Ann Maslog. In this particular case, they were able to confirm through forensic that this Jessica Francisco and Mary Ann Maslog is one and the same person.
What particular, Madam Chair?
Yes,
what
please,
particular forensic
Senator De La Rosa.
evidence can you provide this committee stating that he is one and the same person?
It is a fingerprint analysis, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair.
So if that is so, you confirm na siya talaga si Mary Ann Maslog.
As far as the dactyloscopy report is was made by our expert, Madam Chair.
So, Madam Chair, I am inclined to believe that this committee should treat this information coming from the NBI as official.
Yes, Senator
So,
De La Rosa.
for me, you are not Jessica Francisco. You are, as far as this committee is concerned, you are Mary Ann Maslog.
Yes,
Am I
Senator
clear?
De La Rosa.
Am I correct, Mary Ann? Please remove your... am I correct to assume that you are Mary Ann?
Sir, right now we have an identity hearing on the 28th and on 29th of October in Sandigan Bayan. That's why I invoke my right to keep silent, sir.
I don't think your invocation of that privilege is applicable to this committee. I am telling you, if you keep on invoking that, I will presume that you are uncooperative to this inquiry. Madam Chair.
Yes, salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. The chair agrees that, and please, Comsec, could we change the nameplate to that of Mary Ann Maslog? Opo, in the same way na pinanghawakan talaga at pinanindigan natin yung dactyloscopy analysis ng NBI sa kaso ni Guo Huaping. Why should we not do the same for Mary Ann Maslog? Remembering also yung sinabi ng dactyloscopy expert nila na bawat isang fingerprint natin sa bawat daliri ay unique at hindi nagkakapareho sa sino mang ibang tao. So,
Madam Chair.
I concur. Yes, Senator, SP Pro Tempore, I mean.
Mrs. Maslog, were you involved in a textbook scam before? Because your name rings a bell. Your surname rings a bell to me.
Your Honor, that case is still in Sandigan Bayan, Your Honor. So I invoke my right to keep silent.
Were you arrested? Was she arrested? Is she detained right now?
Is she detained right now, Attorney Magno?
Madam Chair, yes.
Where is
She
she
is detained at the NBI.
NBI?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How did you get the name of Jessica Francisco? Answer.
Ms. Maslog.
Sir, like what I said, sir, there is still a case and to be heard on the 28th and on 29th of October, sir.
What case did you file against Mary Ann Maslog?
Initially, several cases of falsification of public documents were filed against her. But upon returning of upon this incident, the Sandigan Bayan also issued a warrant of arrest with no bail recommendation.
Oh, bakit no bail? Ano yung plunder ba yan?
It appears that it is in connection with the textbook scam.
Textbook scam noong 1998 pa, 1999. I think that was during the presidency of my father. Huh? Tama ba? 1999 eh. Okay, Marian
Yes,
Maslog,
1990s.
kilala mo ba si Alice Go?
Yeah.
Sir, I know of Alice Go.
You
Could I add to the question of SP Pro Tempore? Ever mo ba na-meet si Guo Huaping?
Yes, ma'am.
You have.
I have.
Ano yung mga circumstansya ng pag-meet nyo sa kanya? So you know her, not just know of her. Kasi paano kayo nag-meet?
Well, I met Miss Alice. The first time I met Miss Alice was in Indonesia
Mhm.
through a video.
Through a video.
Yes, ma'am.
Bakit mo siya na-meet through a video sa Indonesia? And why were you there?
Can I go back to how I went to Indonesia po?
Okay, kung context yun ng how you met Guo Huaping.
Prior to a few months or weeks prior to going to Indonesia, I was tapped to possibly talk to Alice,
Tapped by?
PNP, if it's possible to, because
Are
she
you a
was
member of
Who is
PNP?
PNP, Madam Chair? PNP in particular.
Senator De La Rosa.
PNP in particular. Sino?
the intelligence group, sir.
Sino? Name?
Sir, it's the IG group, sir.
IG Group.
Yes, sir.
Huh? But I have an information.
So,
Member ba kayo
give us the
ng
name.
member
Give us
ba
the
kayo
name.
ng PNP-IG?
no, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
But
So, anong pangalan?
we've been waiting. Who is it?
General Macapas po.
Macapas?
General Macapas. So why?
Paano nyo na-meet si si Guo Huaping through General Macapas in
No,
Indonesia?
I did not meet Alice through General Macapas.
So,
I was informed.
How did you meet her?
I was tapped po kasi they know that I am a friend of Mayor Kalugay.
okay, friend kayo ni Mayor Kalugay.
Yes. And
How are you a friend of Mayor Kalugay?
I've met Mayor Kalugay 2022 through
How?
Dante Katabay.
Dante Katabay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, how did
Madam
you...
Chair. Madam
Yes,
Chair. Oh,
Senator De La Rosa.
Can you confirm that? Mayor
Yes.
Kalugay? Mayor Kalugay? Can you confirm that? Kilala kayo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senator De La Rosa. Salamat kayo. So, okay, so you met Mayor Kalugay through Dante Katabay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, baka gusto pa namin i-pursue yan. But continue muna, paano mo na-meet si Guo Huaping? At anong papel ni General Macapas?
No, they were just requesting if it is possible po kaya na kasi there was a talk na mag-surrender po si Miss Alice. So, ang nangyari
Who's
po,
talk that she would
then
surrender?
meron pong mga sa newspaper na magsusurrender po si Miss Alice. So meron na po kasing lumabas that time na warrant from your office.
From the Senate.
From the Senate po.
Mhm.
So, I talked to Mayor Kalugay if there is a way for him to contact Miss Alice.
Bakit mo naisip na through Mayor Kalugay makokontakt mo si Guo Huaping? Anong pagkaalam mo sa ugnayan nila?
Sa pool.
Are they business partners, for example?
I don't think so.
Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship.
Told by?
Kasi po,
What kind of a relationship?
ang pagkakaalam ko po, sir, but I've never seen them together. But I will tell you, ang pagkakaalam ko po, that naging mag-on po sila. That's
Okay,
it.
so that's why you asked Mayor Kalugay paano kontakin si Guo Huaping.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
kinikilig to si Alice Go. Kita mo.
Natatawa pa
Guo
po yung
Huaping.
She's squirming on
Okay.
her.
Okay, sandali lang. You're not yet recognized to speak at this moment. So, Miss Maslog, after nagtanong kayo kay Mayor Kalugay, paano nyo kinontak si Guo Huaping?
Actually po, in fairness to Mayor Kalugay, he said po, he does not want to involve himself.
Okay,
And
so
he
paano
has
nyo finally
no way-
na-contact si
He said
Guo Huaping?
po, he has no way of contacting Alice.
So, paano nyo siya na-contact?
So what happened po was so we backtrack and
Madam Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Gusto ko lang maklaro, Madam Chair. Paano ka nakapasok sa eksena? Were you the one who volunteered to General Macapas or Macapas approached you? Which is which?
aware po kasi sila na magkaibigan po kami ni Mayor Kalugay. That is the only reason po.
So, you mean to say, si General Macapas ang kumontak sa'yo na tulungan mo kami na mapasurrender si Alice Go?
Yes, sir.
Siya ang...
We are actually, sir, I don't know how to explain it. Kasi meron na nga pong warrant during the time po, sir.
Hindi. Ang tanong ko is, yung paano nag-start ito? Ikaw bang pumunta kay Macapas, nag-volunteer ka, or si Macapas pumunta sa'yo para humingi ng tulong sa'yo?
I wouldn't say they were asking for help. They were just saying po na if it is possible to contact the good mayor. If
Ikaw,
he knows
kalarin natin,
po.
ikaw ang nilapitan ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Why in the world? Bakit ikaw pinunta ni Macapas?
No, sir, it is like what I said po, sir. They are aware of my friendship with the mayor.
So, meaning to say, matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas, ha?
Yes.
So, nilapitan ka niya para tumulong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Salamat
if I may,
kayo,
I just-
Senator
I
De
just-
La Rosa.
Sorry,
Senator
sorry,
Joel.
Madam Chair, because I'm not buying a lot of lies here. We have heard too much lies, Madam Chair. You were saying you were tapped by General Macapas. Why were you tapped by General Macapas? Do you have any extraordinary powers, skills? Bakit ikaw?
Like what I said, Your Honor, thank you for that question. It is because only they are very aware of my friendship with the mayor.
This is not Miss Universe, Miss Mary Ann Maslog. This is not Miss Universe. They can go straight to Mayor Kalugay. If they feel that he is a trustworthy public official, they can go straight to him. So, General following your story, if General Macapas stopped you, you must have something no one actually has or possess that kind of skill. Because you were able to pull that thing that you were supposed to be dead for so long and now you're alive. So tell us, why were you tapped by General Macapas? And for what?
That's the only thing, Your Honor, like what I said,
Madam
because of my relationship with the mayor.
Hindi
Senator De La Rosa.
kaya ang unique na sitwasyon mo because meron kang kaso na textbook scam, kaya ka ginamit at ikaw no choice ka dahil parang hostage ka ng gobyerno dahil may kaso ka ng textbook scam. Kung hindi ka magpapagamit, tapos ka. O see that? Hindi nag-materialize ngayon. Ano? Huli ka. Huli ka, di ba? Huli ka ngayon.
In fairness to General Macapas po, he knows me as Jessica Francisco.
Okay. did you visit Alice Go doon sa detention niya sa dito muna.
Senator De La Rosa, if I may, backtrack ng konti.
Backtrack ko.
Opo. Paano kayo nag-usap ni Guo Huaping sa Indonesia? Video call ba yon? O sino nag-arrange nun? Paano kayo nag-usap?
Your Honor, I went to Indonesia 2 times.
Uh-huh.
The first time po kasi was there was a talk that Alice is ready to surrender.
Okay.
So,
Kaya
ano
po-
pakialam mo dun? Punta kayo Indonesia para kausapin si Alice Go. Hindi talaga, ano ba talaga pakialam mo dun?
Oo nga eh.
Ha?
Kanina, tinanong ko rin, PNPIG member ba kayo?
CIA ka ba?
Hindi rin.
Remember ha, kahit na nakakulong
Senator De La
ka,
Rosa.
you are under oath. Ha?
Yes.
You do not make up stories here.
I'm not
Madali kang
making up
mahuli dito.
stories, sir.
Kaya nga, bakit nag-iisip ka nga? Oh, ang tagal mo mag-isip. Simple question coming from Senator Joel Villanueva o ni si Senator Jingo Estrada. Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia para kausapin si Guo Huaping? Anong papel mo? Sige.
Madam Chair,
You convince us.
Senator Sherwin.
this has no connection to your case.
Yeah.
Kaya pag hindi ka sasagot,
Mm-mm.
you can be
Cited.
cited in contempt.
At saka, who told you that Guo Huaping was in Indonesia? Nung panahong
Oo nga.
yun, sinasabi pa ng PNP na at ng law enforcement in general na hindi pa nila alam noon na umalis si Guo Huaping. So, paano mo alam na nandun pala siya sa Indonesia?
Actually, Your Honor, that happened after your announcement po.
So, you heard about it, General Makapas heard about it, or PNPIG heard about it, and you're the person they sent to meet her in Indonesia?
No,
So what happened? Paano mo nakausap si Guo Huaping sa Indonesia? Was it face-to-face? Was it a video call? How did you do it?
there was a pre-talk po here because
By video?
No.
No.
Dito pa po sa Pilipinas, Your Honor, before
Face
we
to
went
face.
to Indonesia. No, Your
No.
Honor. It was through a telephone call.
Okay.
It was through a telephone call that she signified na surrender po siya.
Okay.
Then, during the time po, when she signified na magsusurrender po siya, sabi niya, susulat daw muna siya. She will write everything daw po muna.
Right what?
Kung ano ang the real story bago po siya mag-surrender.
Okay.
Para po, if something happens to her, then may makakaalam.
What something would happen to her?
I don't know, Your Honor,
Mhm.
but that was the words during that time po.
May makakaalam.
Yes po.
And then,
We did not know that she was in Indonesia. She was
we, PNPIG and General Makapas and you?
I actually keep in touch with
With whom?
with the lawyer, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney David. Okay.
Yes,
And then?
Your Honor. And we really tried our best na sana mag-surrender siya kasi gusto naman po talaga daw niyang mag-surrender.
Madam Chair,
Okay.
time.
Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Who are you to meet Jade? Who gave you the authority to go to Indonesia and talk to Alice Go?
Actually, we were not the first time po, Your Honor, we were not able to talk to Alice Go.
Yes.
The first-
You told me that, you told us, the committee, that you went to Indonesia
Yes,
Correct?
Your Honor.
just
Yes.
to talk to Alice Go and
For
let
her to
surrender?
surrender po. Yes,
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Yes. Who are you nga to do so? Who are you to meet Jade? Did Secretary Abalos or the Chief PNP give you the go signal to talk to her? I don't think
No,
so.
no, sir.
Also, who gave you the go signal to talk to her? You being a private
Civilian.
citizen. You're not even connected in any government agency here. Correct?
Yes, Your
So who gave you the go signal to talk to her, to go to Indonesia, just to talk to her for her surrender?
Well,
Huh?
I was just helping, Your Honor.
Excuse me?
You were what? You were just helping.
You are just helping who?
My
It's a
goodness.
very
Helping who, Madam Chair?
case.
Helping
Senator
who?
De La Rosa.
This is too much lie, Madam.
Helping who?
I am not lying, Your Honor.
O si you
Promise
helping who?
helping.
Sino? Sino tinutulungan mo?
You know why you're lying? You keep on telling us baloney information. You said you were top because you're friends with Mayor Kalugay. Now you don't need Mayor Kalugay to talk to her because apparently you've been talking to her before you went to Indonesia.
Speaking
Only
of
on the
Indonesia, just a minute. Could we ask the BI to confirm si Miss Maslog ba or using the name of Francisco, pumunta ba siyang Indonesia at that time?
We will verify, Your Honor.
Please po, and if possible, Commissioner, during this hearing, Senator Sherwin?
Madam Chair, just to remind the body, itong taong to, 26 years ago, nagnakaw ng 24 million, nagpanggap ng namatay para hindi siya makulong, tumakas sa Amerika, at ngayon bumalik dito, at bigla nilang himala, gustong tumulong. Dapat maalala natin na kung buhay pa ito, nakakulong na ho ngayon, 26 years ago.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na?
Pro tempore.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na? Para matakasan mo yung kaso, ganun ba? Yun na sigurong solusyon. Nagpanggap na patay ka na. Sagot. Come on. You answer.
Miss Maslog?
That case still pending, sir, in Sandigan Bayan, sir.
While you are considering or reconsidering your answers to us, so Attorney David, based din sa sinabi ni Miss Maslog, alam nyo at that time na Guo Huaping was out of the country already kasi nag-uusap kayo nagsusubok kayo ni Miss Maslog, kumbinsihin siyang surrender. Please come to the mic, Attorney.
No, Your Madam Chair, hindi po. Nalaman ko lang ho nung nahuli yung dalawa.
Nung nahuli sina Cassandra Leong at Sheila Guo.
Yes, ma'am.
So before that was when Miss Maslog was supposedly together with you convincing Guo Huaping to surrender.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Madam Chair, because she was coordinating with me and I was also coordinating with her for the surrender. Kasi si Alice wanted to surrender even during those days pa. Pero takot nga because of the threat. So, fortunately, they came to me. So, yun, there was a negotiation for the surrender. Until I learned that, yun na nga, sabi niya ni Madam Jessica, na nasa, ibang bansa, hindi ko maalala kung saan. But, na-intercept na yung dalawa. So, I called her. Is it true na-intercept? Yun, kaya sabi ko, kung talagang nalaman ko for the first time, nasa abroad sila.
Madam Chair, if I may,
Senator Joel.
just on that, attorney,
Attorney,
sorry,
please.
why were you trusting her? Why were you talking to her?
Well, as mentioned by her, she was with top brass of the PNP. How can I not trust her?
Top brass?
Did you-
Sabi niya
did you know her
PNP
before?
IG.
Did you know her before?
No,
Yes, Mr.
no, Your Honor. I met her during the. They came to me.
Nung nagka-problema na.
They came to me and they wanted to negotiate with the surrender of Alice, Mayor Alice.
So, according to the question of Senator Villanueva, did you trust her? Naniniwala ka kagad?
I trusted her because she was with top PNP brass.
Yung sinasabi niya si General Makaspak?
Yes.
Makapas.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
So she's with him, with General Macapas, when he
Yes,
when
yes,
they
sir.
talk to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wow.
So, Miss Jessica, can you complete the story? Paano mo nakausap si Guo Huaping dun na sa Indonesia?
Actually, it's on the second, yung nahuli na po si Miss Alice. And,
So, paano nangyari?
I really would like to request for an executive session.
Madam,
No.
executive sessions are for matters of national security. You're in this deep already sa pag narrate nyo sa amin. You might as well not, huwag nyong paiksian yung PC ng mga miyembro ko sa komiteng ito, buuin nyo na yung kwento nyo. Dahil kayo naman po nagsimulang magsabi that on the second trip, you were able to talk to Guo Huaping.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kompletuhin nyo na kasi pag,
Okay, Your Honor.
pag napitin, mas nakakagalit.
Okay, Your Honor. On the first time po na nandoon kami, no, we were not able to see Miss Alice Guo. So hindi po siya nag-surrender. There was no communication. of
Anong
Alice.
petsa yon?
I cannot remember. po,
Was
Your-
that August also? Was that July?
That was few days, I think few days prior to, ano po, yung, I cannot remember, Your Honor. I can
Few
check
days
on-
prior to what?
Doon, no, after pala po, the first time, if I remember right, was, nung nahuli pala yung magkapatid po.
Sina Sheila Guo at
Yes.
Cassandra Leong.
Yes po.
And
That was
then-
the first, no. The second was a week after po.
A week after.
Nung nahuli na po si Alice.
But before siya nahuli or after siya nahuli?
That was, that day na nahuli po siya.
Okay, so paanong nangyari?
I got a call po. I got a text from Indonesia po na
Who
mahuli
texted you from Indonesia?
yung ano po, yung sa tawag nito, yung
Ano?
in charge po, yung nakahuli po kay ano.
What?
kay-
Sino?
An Indonesian law enforcement officer texted you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Really? Are you kidding?
Sa bayang bigkasan
Alam
na
mo,
tayo,
alam mo.
SP Pro Tempore.
Alam mo, Marian, mas sinungaling ka pa rito kay Alice Go eh.
Sir, I can show you the text message.
Okay, show it to us.
Show us the
I
text.
don't have the phone, sir.
So how did you have direct communications with not just Filipino, with an Indonesian law
Because-
enforcement
Because
officer?
we were there the first time nga po eh.
And how did you establish that contact with the Indonesian law enforcement
I was
authorities?
with IG po when I went there to get, nandoon po yung mga pulis din po ng Indonesia.
So IG, you're claiming that PNP IG introduced you and Indonesian police to each other?
It wasn't an introduction po. Magkasama lang po kami during the time.
But magkasama kayo
Kami nagkakilala po.
and you exchange numbers.
Yes po.
So you had that communication line. Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I was a former chief of staff of IG. I became the deputy director for operations of intelligence group, IG. I became a deputy director for administration of intelligence group. How come in the world na nahuli na si Alice Go doon? Kaya kailangan ka pa dalhin ni Makapas doon sa Indonesia para kumbinsihin si Alice Go? I don't see any logic. Wala ako nakikitang intelligence value sa presensya mo, sa papel mo doon. Bakit ang IG gagamitin ka? Huli na siya eh. Huli na siya. Bakit ka kasama sa IG? Wala akong nakitang intelligence value sa'yo. Siguro ang intelligence value sa'yo kung magamit ka for any other reasons na pwede kang gamitin.
Your Honor, the instructions po is this.
Sino ang nagbigay ng instructions?
Sa PNP po.
Sino?
Si General Macapas.
Anong instructions niya?
Na sana umuwi that she will, kung pwede siya kausapin, na
Yun na, huli ka. That she will, at kung pwede siyang kausapin. Alam mo,
no, that's
matagal
what
na
I'm saying.
akong pulis, ikaw, sinungaling ka.
No.
Napakasinungaling mo. Gumagawa ka ng istorya ngayon. Meron kang tinatago. Ha? Hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session hall ito kahit na hawak ka na ng NBI. Tilio, hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session hall ito.
Sige.
Kung hindi ka magsabi ng totoo.
Sige.
Yun
Sige,
na
tuloy
nga
mo-
po.
SP pro tempore.
Tuloy mo yung kwento mo. She will what?
That kung pwede po, that she will surrender to PNP.
Miss Maslog, baliktad na yung sequence of events. Sinabi na ni Senator De La Rosa, at the time of your second trip para kausapin si Guo Huaping, arestado na siya.
Yes,
No choice na siya na bumalik dito, which is what happened. So wala nang kayong mission na pa-surrenderin siya kasi huli na nga siya. So ano yung agenda nyo sa pagkausap sa kanya?
Actually po, Miss Go Wapping and Alice Go po, you can ask po. She has a lawyer po doon sa Indonesia.
Just a
And-
minute, before you continue, Ms. Maslog, about the lawyer in Indonesia, General Macapas will be joining us online. So we will be able to fact check with him this amazing story. Please continue.
If I
Senator
may
Joe.
also just put into the records, no, the Senate already gave time in 2000 and 2000 in year 2000. In year 2000, and the Senate found her liable. The same person, Madam Chair, Mary Ann Maslog. The Senate found her liable for false testimony, corruption of public officials, punishable under the revised penal code, violation of the anti-graft law, violation of Presidential Decree number 46, which makes it punishable for private persons to give gifts to government officials and employees on any occasion, falsification of public document, and tax evasion. So, Madam Chair, hindi ko alam kung we need to give more time to this rascal, Madam Chair.
Thank you,
Madam Chair.
Senator Joel. Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I don't know how to deal with this kind of resource person, pero alam mo, I suspect nandoon ka, pupunta ka sa Indonesia because somebody is using you for an irregular operation. Kang lingo-lingo dyan. I am sure. Somebody's using you. I suspect. Ano? Ano masasabi mo ngayon?
Ms.
No,
Maslog.
Ha?
No, Your Honor.
No?
No, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Huwag mo ako lukuhin. Huwag mo ako lukuhin.
I am not, Your Honor.
I have the goods against you. I have the goods against you. But, Madam Chair, next, I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I tell you. I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I am sure about it. I will pin you down. Huwag mong gamitin yung pagkamaro mo. Kung dumaan ka na, namatay ka na noon at ngayon bigla kang nabuhay at ngayon ginagamit ka for irregular operations against us. You cannot, hindi ka makakalusot sa akin. I tell you. I tell you. Madam Chair, thank you.
Madam Chair.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. Before I call the SP pro tempore, I have confirmation na pumunta ngang Indonesia si Ms. Maslog. But I will wait for that officially on the record from the BI. SP pro, sorry, if I may, Senator Sherwin, and
Sino
then
nagbayad ng ticket mo, Ms. Maslog? Sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung una at sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung pangalawa? At tumira ka ba doon sa Indonesia? Sino nagbayad ng hotel mo?
We only stayed there, sir, for 1 day, sir.
Balikan.
2 days po. 2 days. Opo.
So, sino nagbayad ng ticket mo?
I-refund po ng ano po, ng government po.
Sinong government? Sinong government?
The government, di ka mga
Alam mo,
Philippine
Hirap.
government?
hirap nga ang IG magpadala ng ahente pupunta sa ibang bansa. Ikaw pa, Now, you are not a part of IG, hindi ka organic ng IG, kagastusan ka ng IG. Kaya, the more kami nagsususpect na meron ka talagang ibang pakay doon. Meron kang iba. Ha? Madam Chair,
Yeah.
Madam Chair, can I move forward for a little bit?
You certainly may, Senator De La Rosa. But
Mayroon akong information na bumisita ka doon sa kulungan ni Alice Go dito sa Pilipinas. Bumisita ka?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
2 times.
Anong purpose mo doon?
First, sir, tinatanong ko po siya sa mga statement po na ginawa po niya, sir.
May ginawa siyang statement?
No, not the statement. But I'm saying we were talking about ano po sa kanya yung how do you say it, yung kung ano po ang nangyari sa kanya.
Ano ang pakialam mo sa kanya?
Speaker pro tempore.
Klaruhin ko na lang sa'yo. Ha? Ha? For the record, meron kong informasyon, ha? Na you are being used para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magtuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bongo, si Senator Bato, si General si IDG, General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Ha? Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam kong informasyon na yan. Is that correct?
No,
Anong
sir.
purpose mo? Bakit ka pupunta doon kay Alice Go? 2 bisis ka pumunta. Anong purpose mo doon? Be, sige.
At sino kasama mo?
Like what I said, sir, ang kasama ko po pagpunta doon sa Indonesia ay IG po.
Ang
We have
tinatanong ni
General Macapas online
Sen.
to
Bato,
cross-check.
sino ang kasama mo pumunta sa kulungan ni Alice Go? Yun ang tanong ko.
Ako lang po tsaka ang si attorney po.
Hindi ka papapasukin doon na ikaw lang.
Alam mo, galing ako dyan eh.
Tuktok mo.
Galing ako dyan sa custodial eh. Mahirap makapasok dyan. At sino ka para makapasok doon? Ang makakapasok lang doon, abogado, pare, kamag-anak, doktor,
O opisyal.
ikaw. Ano relasyon mo sa kanya? Doktor ka ba?
No,
Pari ka ba? O ano ka ba?
no, sir.
O ano?
I don't have
Abogado ka ba?
No, sir.
O paano ka nakapasok? Who initiated the meeting? And how did you enter the custodial center?
The first time po na pumasok po kami doon, I was still with IG po.
So at this point, I think we should ask General Macapas dahil online na sila. We need to fact-check so many of these things na sinasabi ni Ms. Maslog. General Macapas, online na po kayo, nakikita namin kayo. Pwede nyo pong buksan yung audio ninyo so we can hear you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, General. General, hindi pa kayo nakapagsumpa, no? Dito sa hearing namin.
Yes, Your Honor. Wala pa po.
Okay, Comsec, pakipasumpain si General.
Sir, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name,
I, Police Brigadier General Romeo Juan Macapas,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will tell the truth,
that I will tell the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth
and nothing but the truth
to this committee.
to this committee.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat, Comsec. Salamat, General. General, ang dami po naming naririnig na parang hindi talaga kapani-paniwala. And I hope that you will be the one to help us set the record straight kasi nababaluktot na yata talaga yung storya. Bakit nyo po ni-recruit, isinama si Ms. Maslog para makatawid kay Guo Huaping?
Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon sa lahat po. Marami pong salamat.
Yes, sir. So bakit kinailangan nyo pa si Ms. Maslog para lang tumawid kay Guo Huaping? Sir, are you still online?
IG ka talaga, Makapas nawawala ka.
Nag-iisip din yan.
General Macapas? Please come back online soonest. Ang dami pong mga tanong para sa inyo. Are there any other questions for Ms. Maslog, or have we used up our patience
Madam
with
Chair,
this resource
if
person?
I
Senator
may,
Joel.
I as much as I wanted to ask this resource person, Madam Chair, I'd rather ask someone else.
Yes, Senator Joel. I think
Nauubos
General
yung
Macapas
pasensya
is
ko.
online.
Yeah, if General Macapas is there, we can get
General?
back to him. Yes, I'll
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry,
Salamat.
naputol po.
Yes, sir. So, you're back online po. So, yun yung unang tanong po namin. Bakit kinailangan nyo pang isama si Ms. Maslog para makakontakt kay Guo Huaping? Not once, but twice sa Indonesia pa.
Ganito po ma'am ang nangyayari diyan.
Opo.
Habang hinahabol namin si Alice Guo, nag-volunteer si Ma'am Jessica.
Paano siya nag-volunteer, sir?
Dahil nung nagkakilala kami ni Ma'am Jessica 2002,
Paano
I
po?
still the saya of our DCO. Pumunta siya sa opisina na bumisita sa boss ko. Boss ko po ay busy, so ako ang kinausap niya. Then that time, palagi na siyang may finifeed na mga informasyon sa akin. So
Over the
yun
past
naman-
22 years,
No,
since
ma'am.
2002.
No ma'am, 2022.
2022, okay,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
past 2 years.
The past 2 years ma'am, yes ma'am.
Tapos po,
So, nung nangyari itong kay, kay Your Honors, yung itong kay Alice Guo, nag-volunteer siya na may access siya kay Attorney David.
teka, nag-volunteer si Ms. Maslog na
May connect siya kay Attorney
may
David.
contact siya kay Attorney David.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit
Madam Chair, before you continue,
Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
it is very clear that Mary Ann Maslog is lying before this committee. Sabi niya kanina na siya daw ay in-approach ni General Macapas. Ngayon si General Macapas ang nagsasabi na si
Ang
Mary Ann Maslog
nag-volunteer.
ang pumunta sa kanya nag-volunteer. So with that, Madam Chair, I move that this Miss Mary Ann Maslog be cited in contempt. Kanino tayo maniwala? Sa isang textbook scammer o itong general, one-star general? Kanino tayo maniwala? So I move that she be cited in contempt.
So
Before we
motion that Mary Ann Maslog be cited in contempt.
Second.
Second the motion, Madam Chair.
Duly seconded. So
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, colleagues.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. So Ms. Maslog, you are cited in contempt by the Senate Committee.
Your Honor,
General Macapas, so kayo po yung pinaniniwalaan namin dito na nag-volunteer si Ms. Maslog sa inyo dahil meron daw siyang contact kay Attorney David.
yes.
Bakit naman po tinanggap o pinaunlakan yung pag-volunteer niya?
That time, hinahabol natin si Alice Guo, Your Honors. So wala kaming naka-blank call kami. Nung sinabi niyang yung abogado ay may contact siya, we were hoping na may direct contact na siya doon. At sinasabi na si Alice ay willing to surrender.
Paano alam yan ni Ms. Maslog na willing to surrender si Guo Huaping?
From attorney, yung abogado niya,
From Attorney
abogado
David.
niya, Your Honors.
Tapos, anong sumunod na nangyari? Bakit nakasabay pa si Ms. Maslog sa mga further steps ng law enforcement ng PNP?
So ganito po ang nangyari, Your Honors. Let me, if you allow me to continue.
Yes, please.
Yung first meeting namin was somewhere here in Quezon City sa restaurant. Kausap ko si attorney, pati may isa pang kasamang, I think abogado rin yun, na may
Kailan po yun?
early April, I think.
Early April.
Yes,
Summer,
nakalimutan ko yung
okay.
specific. Before itong issue ni Alice. So, yun na yung initial na steps, pero hindi nangyayari na nag-surrender nga si Alice. Instead, lumabas po sila papuntang labas ng bansa.
Yes.
So, from there, kasi naalaman namin na nag-book sila ng flight pabalik ng Pilipinas. That's why we coordinated immediately doon sa BI.
Mhm.
So,
Pero yun yung flight nila na hindi natuloy pabalik.
yes po, nag-book
And
sila
then?
ng flight pabalik na walang sumakay.
Mhm.
So from there, nag-coordinate kami sa counterparts namin sa Singapore.
Mhm.
So from there, na-trace natin kung saan sila nakatira sa Singapore. At lahat ng movement na subaybayan na namin through our counterparts.
Mhm.
So hanggang nahuli nga po yun, hanggang na, the first time na nandun sila sa Singapore, nung nahuli si Alice pati si Cassandra,
You mean si Cassandra at si
pati si
Sheila.
Cassandra, pumunta
Sheila
kami
po.
doon para sabi sa akin, the same thing ni Ma'am Jessica, na mag-surrender na nga po.
Sa Indonesia po yun.
Yes
na
po, sa
nahuli
Indonesia
sila.
kami pumunta.
Anong nangyari?
Nung nandun po kami, Your Honors, hindi po siya nagpakita sa amin.
Mhm.
So instead na magtira kami doon ng matagal, nag-iwan po ako ng sulat kay Colonel Udry ng Indonesia
Mhm.
na if and when ma-intercept nila, bibigyan nila tayo i-notify nila tayo nang sa ganun makuha natin si Alice.
And on that first trip po, sinama nyo pa rin talaga si Miss Maslog.
Siya po kasi yung connect, ma'am. Your
Siya
Honor.
yung connect.
Siya po
Quick
yung connect
question lang.
initially kasi
Opo, please stand by, County General. Quick question kay Mayor Kalugay. IG din po kayo dati, di ba, Mayor?
Opo, Your Ma'am Chair.
Magkakilala po kayo ni General Macapaz?
Hindi na po,
Hindi.
Your Honor.
So, kayo ba yung nag-coordinate nitong trip ni na Miss Maslog, General Macapaz para kontakin si Guo Huaping dun sa Indonesia?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
General Macapaz, kilala niyo po ba si Mayor Kalugay?
hindi po.
IG din po siya dati.
Personally, Your Honor, hindi ko po siya kilala. At
Hindi personally.
nalaman ko lang po na dati siyang IG
Mm.
noong pumutok na po itong issue with Alice Guo.
Okay. So, yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Thank you, Madam Chair. General, bakit mo masyadong pinagkakatiwalaan tong si Mary Ann Maslog?
Yes, sir. Kasi po, from her statement, may direct contact siya kay attorney ng hinahanap natin. So, we believe na positibo yung ibibigay niya na informasyon dahil may abogado siyang kausap. Ang kausap niyang abogado po ay abogado mismo ng hinahanap natin.
So, dahil doon, nagtiwala ka na kaagad dito sa kay Mary Ann Maslog? Tama?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yung una naming punta.
Ang sabi ni Mary Ann Maslog, ang pagkakilala mo raw sa kanya ay si Jessica Francisco. Hindi mo raw siya kilala as Mary Ann Maslog. Tama ba?
Yes, sir. Ang pagkakilala ko po sa kanya ay Dr. Jessica Francisco.
Doktor?
Yes, po.
Kaya ka pala nakakapasok sa custodial dahil doktor ang panggap mo?
Doktora po. Doktora, hindi po medical doctor, sir.
Ano?
PhD.
PhD. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
PhD ka ba, Mary Ann?
Miss Maslog.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh? PhD saan? Pagkasinungaling?
Clinical
Ha? Sa?
PhD sa
clinical psychology po.
Clinical?
psychology.
Psychologist. Oh. Oh, General. So
Yes,
yung
sir.
pangalawang nakasama ka rin sa Indonesia no first trip. Kasama mo si Mary Ann Maslog.
Yes, sir. We were together during the first trip.
Okay. Were you able to talk to Alice Go?
Hindi po, sir. Hindi po namin nakausap si Miss Guo the first time.
Sino nakausap niyo ron sa Indonesia nung pumunta kayo no first trip?
Indonesian police po.
Indonesian police.
Yes, sir.
What were you talking about? You whereabouts ni Alice Go?
Yes po. Opo.
Who authorized you to go there to Indonesia?
We were authorized by our secretary DILG po dahil hinahanap na po namin.
Secretary Abalos.
Opo.
So
Meron
the
po
first trip, wala nangyari sa inyo?
Yes, sir. Hindi po nagpakita sa amin.
Okay. Kailan kayo bumalik?
If I may interject muna, SP Pro Temp. Nung first trip nyo doon, General, pinakilala nyo ba talaga si Miss Maslog at yung Indonesian police sa isa't isa?
Yes, we introduced her to our counterparts, ng mga policeman doon sa Indonesia po.
Alam nyo ba na nag-exchange sila ng telephone numbers at nag-direct communication daw sila sa kanya kay Miss Maslog nung naaresto si Guo Huaping?
Yun po ay hindi ko na masagot, Your Honors.
Hindi nyo alam na nangyari yon?
Hindi po. Kasi during the arrest, we were notified by the Indonesian authorities ng madaling araw po. So,
opo, kasi sabi ni Miss Maslog, tinawagan daw siya or kinontak ng Indonesian police officer para sabihin na aresto si Guo Huaping. Talagang nagulat kami dito kasi bakit? Bakit may ganong klaseng pag-advise sa kanya samantalang hindi naman siya miyembro ng PNP? Napaka-irregular po.
Your Honor, hindi ko po masagot yung tanong na yan dahil hindi ko po alam kung nag-uusap din sila privately.
May I ask, Madam Chair? If
Senator Joel.
May I ask, General Macapas, one, when you talk about this Mary Ann Maslog, alias Jessica, kung tawagin mo siya ma'am, 2 beses kaagad eh. First sentence mo pa lang, ma'am. Bakit ganito yung pagtingin mo sa kanya? Ano bang nakita mo sa kanya as she claimed that you tapped her? In fact, yun ang claim niya dito sa amin. You tapped her para dito sa special operation po ninyo. Ano yung nakita nyo sa kanya? Bakit gano'n na lang yung pagtingin nyo sa kanya?
I'm sorry, Your Honors, but sir, ganun po talaga ako, sir. Kahit po mangingisda yan, kahit po, ma'am.
Okay, kahit balasubas, tatawagin mo ma'am. Okay, pero ito na lang ang tatanong ko kasi sumingit lang ako dito eh. Gusto ko malaman, bakit anong authority yung binigay mo sa kanya that she is acting like your right hand in the PNP IG to the point that she's saying na yung gastos niya nire-reimburse niya sa PNP IG? Is that correct? Ano yung authority na binigay mo sa kanya? Na she could always, parang 24/7 will have an access to Indonesian authorities, talking to Interpol, etc. Did you give her that access, General?
Your Honors, please, except doon sa pagiging contact lang kay Alice, wala na po siyang ibang authority, Your Honor.
Were you clear about it? Were you clear about it when you told her, ito lang ang role mo? Because, alam mo, tatamaan ka rito, General, kung binigyan mo ng blanket authority, itong hindi natin makilala kung sino talaga. Nabuhay mula sa patay eh.
If I may interject, Senator Joel, General, sinabi pa ni Miss Maslog, yung ticket daw niya papuntang Indonesia, ni-reimburse daw ng PNP IG. So ano nga po itong mga parang special authorization na nangyayari?
Wala pong katotohanan yan, Your Honors. Wala po kaming ganung kalaking panggastos.
So Madam Chair, sinong namamasahe sa kanya? Sinong mamamasahe sa kanya?
Yes, sir. If I may, sir.
Sino?
Sa General.
Gastos lang po niya yung sarili, sir.
Sarili niya?
Iba yung sinabi niya.
Napakagaling naman. Gagastos niya para sa ganung effort. Tapos sabi niya, nire-reimburse ng IG. Alam mo, General Macapas, in this case, pareho tayong galing sa IG. This case, Mary Ann Maslog is your action agent. Ikaw ang agent.
Handler.
Ano ka? Agent, handler or manager?
Ako na mismo ang handler, sir, dahil ako lang ang may nakakilala sa kanya.
Okay. Ngayon, you're the agent handler. She is the action agent. paano to siya nakakuha ng linya doon sa Indonesian National Police without your knowledge na ikaw mismo ang handler? Bakit nakadirekta siya doon? Tinitext daw siya ng Indonesian authorities na huli na namin si Alex Go. Andito na. Ikaw hindi mo alam? You're the IG director, I suppose. But ngayon, saan ka na ba ngayon?
Currently, sir, I am still holding the IG, sir.
IG ka pa rin. Pero you're incoming RD.
RD Barm, sir. Yes, sir.
Ng
Barm, sir. Yes, sir.
Barm. Congratulations.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good accomplishments.
Yes,
You're
sir.
from IG, you're now RD. That's quite
Yes,
a
sir.
big feather on your cap. Congratulations, iyo. Congratulations. Pero my question remains, paano nangyari na ikaw ang agent handler ng isang action agent na siya nang dumidirekta doon nakipag-connect sa Indonesian National Police? Ikaw na blind ka.
I have no idea, sir, actually. Kasi pumutok yung balita, sir, na nahuli si Alice Guo 7 o'clock in the morning sa TV natin. During that time, sir, nakipag-Zoom conference na po kami with the Indonesian authorities. Kasama ko po si Chief PNP, pati yung contacts namin sa counterpart natin dito, yung attaché nila dito, pati yung Indonesian Police. Hindi po kami dumaan sa kay Ma'am Jessica. Alam namin na nahuli na Indonesian Police ang nagsasabi sa amin. Ngayon yung si Ma'am Jessica,
Di ba, sandali. Di ba, during the previous hearing, kinongratulate pa kita, pinagmayabang pa kita sa committee na
Yes, sir.
yung IG nagtatrabaho yan kahit na walang intelligence fund. Di
Yes,
ba?
sir. Yes, sir.
Dahil kayo, sa buong Pilipinas, kayong unang nakakaalam that Alice Go has left the country already.
August 14 pa lang,
August 14.
Senator De La Rosa.
Exact, Madam Chair.
Yes, sir.
Di ba?
Yes,
Kung kayo ang nakakaalam na nahuli ay nakalabas na pala.
Yes, sir.
Inongratulate kita.
Yes,
Good
sir.
job
Thank you, sir.
yan. O ngayon, itong agent mo, hindi mo na na-handle lang properly. So, there is an agent mishandling in this case. Bakit siya nakakadirekta doon sa Indonesian National Police? Or, meron kang alam na mas mabigat na trabaho na ibinigay dito kay Miriam Maslog, kaya wala kang control sa kanya because somebody above you is controlling Miriam Maslog. I have an information. You cannot deny to me. I have a very, very accurate information na siya ay inuutusan ng somebody from Malacanang para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit implicating President Duterte, Senator Bongo, Senator Bato, and General Karamat as the people behind the operation of Pogo. I have a very, very A1 information.
What's up mga tropa pips? So napanood nyo naman po yung video na yan doon po sa Senate hearing patungkol po sa Pogo. At ito pong si Miriam Maslog, ito kasi sabi ni Senator Bato, meron daw siyang A1 information pero parang hindi po A1 information ang kanyang hawak dahil parang nanghuhula lamang po siya. Alam niyo sa tingin ko, etong si Miriam Maslog ay isang bida-bida. Yun ang tingin ko, bida-bida, epal, pumapapel, na nagpapanggap na agent or spy, parang si Alice Go, spy, pero hindi special, na ngayon ay dinidiin ni Bato para kumampi sa kanya. Para itong si Miriam Maslog ay i-pinpoint ang mga tao sa Malacanang na siyang nag-utos dito kay Miriam Maslog. Tingin ko dito kay Miriam Maslog is parang alam mo yung hinuhulugan ng 5 piso. Tapos pag hinulugan mo ng 5 piso, kakanta na. Parang jukebox. Parang ganyan si Miriam Maslog. Hulugan mo lang, kakanta na. Yan ang nakikita ko. Baka mamaya magulat tayo sa mga susunod na Pogo hearing, tinuturo na nito si PBBM, si House Speaker Martin Romualdez, si DILG Secretary Benar Abalos, or si DOJ Secretary Boying Remulla na siyang magdidiin kuno dito laban kila Digong nyo. Sa Duterte Group. Baka yun ang maging plot twist ng mga pag-attend na yan ni Bato de la Rosa dyan po sa Senate hearing. Napansin ninyo, simula nung nahuli si Alice Gu, attend na ng attend si Bato de la Rosa, nung merong nabanggit na meron daw pong isang PNP chief, ex-PNP chief, na nakipag-coordinate para mapatakas si Alice Gu, di ba? Nag-react agad si Bato de la Rosa. At nang mahuli na si Alice Gu, lagi nang nandyan si Bato de la Rosa nakabantay sa mga Senate hearing. Baka yan na po ang makita natin. Sa ito kasi si bidabidang Mary Ann Maslog. Ang tingin ko dito, ito po ay isang marites. Ngayon, nag-level up siya. Nag-level up siyang marites kasi nga po talaga namang wala nang kumbaga itong dapat pang pangilagan. Bakit? Biruin mo na evade niya nga yung kamatayan, 'di ba? Namatay na nga siya dati. So ano pa ba'y buhay niya ngayon, 'di ba? So wala na tong kinakatakutan. Kahit sino ay mamarites na to. Hanggang nag-level up at nakarating na sa punto na naging SP-SP ito kuno diyan po sa PNP. Amuyong lang po ito, amuyong. Hindi po ito talagang tauhan ng PNP. At kumbaga, ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga sindikato at ng mga tiwaling pulis para po magkaroon ng transaction on both side. Ganyan ang nangyayari dyan. Yan ang ginagamit, amuyong. So ngayon po, gusto itong gamitin siguro ni Bato de la Rosa para po maidiin ang Malacanang. Biruin mo ba naman, magbintang ka, meron kang A1 information, pero wala kang katibayan. Wala ka man lang kahit ano man lang na ebidensya na maipakita na etong si Mary Ann Maslog ay pakawala ng Malacanang. Katulad na lang nung sinabi niya na meron daw pong nangyaring parang meeting between itong si Karamat at meron daw pong nangangako o parang magbibigay daw ng posisyon kay Karamat basta idiin lang daw etong si Bato, si Digong at si Bongo. Pero the other way around ang nangyayari pala. Ito pa lang si Karamat ang pumunta sa bahay ni House Speaker Martin Romualdez, nagpasama pa sa isang tauhan ng ating gobyerno para makamiting etong si House Speaker at maglalabas daw siya, tetestigo daw siya laban kay Digong pero dapat may kapalit. Siya dapat ang magiging PNP chief. Kaya lang hindi po yan kinagat ni House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Una, hindi po kayang magtalaga ni House Speaker Martin Romualdez ng PNP chief. Pangalawa, hindi po gagawin ni House Speaker Martin Romualdez ang ganyang bagay dahil hindi naman po niya kinakalaban ang mga Duterte. Ang mga Duterte ang kumakalaban sa kanya. Ang mga Duterte ang gustong siya ay mapabagsak. Hindi ang kung ano man ang iniisip nitong si Bato de la Rosa. Ang mga Duterte ang nangaaway kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Kaya paano yan kakagatin o papatulan nitong si House Speaker Martin Romualdez? Kaya nga po talagang ito, itong si Mary Ann Maslog, hindi na ako magtataka kung sa mga susunod na hearing na ito, ang mga itinuturo na po nito mga taga Malacanang. Kasi naplansya na. Yun na yung script Hindi nyo napansin? Halos ilang beses sinabi dyan ni Bato, meron akong A1 information. Gustong ipadiin si Bato, si Bongo at si Duterte na mga protektor ng Pogo. Na kahit naman hindi na po natin idiin si Bato, hindi na natin idiin si Digong, alam na natin na siya talaga ang enabler ng Pogo. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng Chekwa na mayor ng Bamban dahil kay Digong. Hindi na po yan lihim. Hindi na po yan maitatanggi. Si Digong ang nagpapasok ng Pogo. Si Michael Yang na tauhan ni Digong ang pumrotekta sa Pogo at nakapasok ang sindikato ng Pogo dahil sa kapatid ni Michael Yang na si Tony Yang at ito pang iba pang mga CPP ng mga Chekwa. Pumasok po sa Pilipinas, nagpogo, pinagkakitaan ng Pilipinas, pinagtaguan ng mga puganteng wanted, At dito po naghasik ng krimen itong mga Chekwa na ito. Yun po ang katotohanan niyan. Hindi na may tatanggi. Si Digong po talaga ang naglugmok sa bayan sa issue ng Pogo. So, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo dito sa aking vlog na ito. Ingat po kayo. Nasan mang panig kayo ng mundo. Momo, chup chup. Love you, love you. God bless us all. Pilipinas. God first. Salamat po.